ne nkɔmɔ a ɔde etu fam no yɛntie kakra emra ɛfa no Ghana Premier League interesting ɛna ma Ghana for Monday eyeballs no akɔsoro no yɛntie abɛgyefo wɔ ha yɛba sisi ha.
Yeah, increasing visibility for the league in terms of eyeballs over the years, or compare to what has happened in the last 3.5 years. We have improved a lot. The eyeballs watching the league, both Ghana and Abuja. Yes, you may not see the fans in the stands, especially at the two biggest stadia. But say me 5,000 capacity park and as a stadium. That means every time we have a home match, it will be filled. Many problem, and I am making reference to BBNE, Samra Boy, Bechem, Brekum, Doma, at least almost every weekend when they play at home, the place is fully packed. Accra and Kumasi, peculiar to Hartsofolk, peculiar to Asante Kotoko, because their fans have reasons for not showing up to watch their matches. Maybe when we decide to go into that discussion, we have the factors in the door. But all in all, yes, concerns about standard of play, I agree. And we need to improve. But I think that the competitive nature of the league has been very, very, very good.
I know Henry Asante Chum and Oteni in Kase Ochechen Semo or say Ghana Premier League na ye bono in praying die Ghana for every football ne pa any football no papa no bra ket okriku aba uko in grand ketwan na 95.1 Zuba Alfred Director of Communication GFA in common
yeah
me de pa
me so me de
omo bu adwuma ket Edwin Simon Kreku na administration omo promote league na e wo the other side.
And whatever they had to do, they've done it. And a Ghana Premier League, you know, and for I've watched Wamu games on my stream live on various platforms. Ghana
Super.
Premier League. And yana se kotokobo match. Yeah, telecast partners. Ayo muncha. Don't people subscribe to go and watch? I've seen 10K, 10,000 people watching a Kotoko game on broadcast
online.
Partners online. I've seen 15,000 people actually had to full game. Ghana ha obi an match ba online and for shop ya Asante Kotoko. Yes. Ghana ha obi a ne match ba online and for shop ya Asante Kotoko. Folk. What I say? And this season almost has any Asante Kotoko matches now has been shown on TV.
Yeah.
Whether they are playing home or mobile away. Omo match bi o mabo bia ye show TV. Unim the entia because omo show in so and confusion both on TV and online. And when I is Ariero, a house for a year. I could offer a year. 1 year.
So get a cook na yes.
The GFA and our broadcast partners. They have made it available. They have made it accessible. Baby will be able to me. And Samates, Adriana Stars, Becum Chelsea, Mediama, Kerala United, the band and Mediama Gamer, Uncle Fonko. The band.
Go for her pa.
The band work on the main I see. I could share Kerala United park and Uncle Fonko.
But go for we had to folk in Asante Kotoko Baba and Accra Sports.
Is he? What can this happen when you're doing? Because the venue no more airborne. It be a 40,000 capacity. And the Krumha, apart from the Black Stars, and now the old generation of hearts and the Kotoko levels, you know, the current crop of players, our hearts and the Kotoko cannot attract 20,000 people. Even when the president, Yabo President's Cup, you be a gate free. What did I make her say? Because Those two teams, you know, they are not appealing. Their football is not appealing. Last season, 2 seasons ago, when Samobodu was winning the league, you know how Mohammed MD Car Rentals, Mr. David Kwao, David Car Rentals, any chapter 13, any circle 7 has no kotoko omutumi at the buses, at the first supporters from Takrady to come and support Accra House of Folk.
What has changed?
And I say it is because Sebi. See a boy House of Folk. Nessa Albert Diondoni in a lady house and I mean free Takrady in 3 tickets. In and out. I'm a 3 ticket. Some Baba here Albert Diondoni. What I say?
Onyade.
You see, say house in a kotoko a person stadium near full. Shall a brand and bear about your league last season. Some kotoko matches.
Yeah.
Now confirm call. The and no couple for Sima Kotoko and introduce one more virtual seats.
Yeah.
Because no more born here a corner. Omo born now. Players won over Fabio Gama. Over Georges and Feke.
Yeah.
Mudasiru Salifu. The best left for back then was Imoro Ibrahim.
Danlad ni.
Oh, Danlad. Satana Felix Anaine. Raza Cabalora. And then Jira Post Numu. Now when ya almost strike a Frank Mbele Tuga. Early the lines. Kotokono Boa Kumasi Sports Stadium. A bell fair, there, Obekako he. A moment remember no, they subscribe to Kotoko virtual seats. Even when Nani Ponsaka said some of their matches will be streamed on SICK and Mbarokrano, supporters were still subscribing to SICK some Kotoko matches. But this season, they don't go because team no, there is no player or you appealing enough for you to go and watch Asante Kotoko. Shabra Justice Blake Kotoko. Ofa Kumasi be a Chief Justice. Because at that time, no, Justice Blake was appealing to the people. Is it the same Justice Blake? And to the truth of the matter is, the Ghana Football Association has done it bit in terms of making the game accessible, making viewership attractive. But your clubs, how well are they packaging? Opa, weekend, league back kokoso. Manatano or Benin funny phone said, or Franco PR or for House of PR, or Bonnie Primsa, on Casada. On Casada because they don't even understand why they need to promote their games. Do you know why Media General? Every show be baby or your artwork, edit to social media, where we was also boka extra a saying a promo as on TV. No, I jingle, no more radio. So you know why? Because they want to create attention, sensitization.
Yeah.
But your clubs, your money sadia match and buy. I know I have flyer back, not the better. Fly in your bed, we what I say? It's media, like I said. Polayamba, a brands manager, business and brands manager, Edema FC Samates. Samates bebo macha. Okwa Sankrigwa, Okwa down to Takwa. Sometimes he calls us a senior. Yababo macho, Yapamacha, Monkreti an interview. Wow. Share a Diana Stars from PRO. Shobrekum Chelsea PRO. And open your brain, no or your coach interview, no share our platform. So say media men and far more. They do artworks and then they avail themselves for interviews because they know the importance of it. But how Senekotoko, they will never do it. As some bakura who pen chilimono, open for house Senekotoko, they will not mind you. And for me, I think say the Ghana Football Association has done 8 bits. It is up to the clubs to find a way of luring supporters to the stadium. Kumasi son, Accra son, Tamale son, Takrady de Egu stadium ni Nyejuma. And say if Yentimen failure, at least 10,000, 20,000, and say to me and make sure say, these 2 big clubs are able to have such spectatorship at the stadium.